uh, discuss today structure of cell membrane. Cell membrane is formed basically two layers, upper layers and lower layers is phospholipid layers. That is so called two layers is phospholipid layers, and different gaps proteins are embedded. Protein molecule are embedded. Integral proteins means inside of the phospholipids. Peripheral proteins means outside of the phospholipids. Some carbohydrates are also formed on the phospholipid layers. Cell wall or plasma membrane is formed inside of the cell wall. Many functions perform cell membrane. First of all is a unit membrane model, then is so called fluid mosaic model. Fluid mosaic model means lipid bilayers embedded protein molecules of different gaps. If we see internal structures of phospholipids, upper is a hydrophilic regions which attract to the waters himself, or lower head is hydrophobic regions. Hydrophobic regions basically repel waters. In lipid bilayers, different chemical compound is present: ethanolamine, galactose, glucosamine, mannose, inositose. This is the gap basically present in which allow the materials move from one part of cell materials to another part of cell materials. Also, nuclear involve nuclear structures that is the basic structure of DNA: double helix, two strands, one upper strand, lower strand, antiparallel package of DNA, metaphase chromosome. That is the stage of meiosis. Metaphase stage, DNA first aggregate to nucleosome. DNA is aggregated into nucleosome structures, bound each other 30 nanometers chromatin fibers. Further coil, condense metaphase, and which convert into chromosome. Translation basically synthesis of messenger RNA from DNA is called transcription. From messenger RNA to protein synthesis translation. Basically, that is the DNA double structure which is wrap around the nucleus या histone proteins. That is the nucleus containing the 30 nanochromatin fibers, many histone proteins, which are nucleosomes, convert loop domain structures coiling around each other, which is condensation form, two chromatids, one chromatids and other chromatids. That is the two chromatids form chromosome. That is the centromer of chromosome. That is overall process of protein synthesis. Two strands DNA. DNA is converted into single strand in RNA. That is called transcription. Then processing translation is start. Messenger RNA give information to ribosome which form the protein synthesis. This is the protein synthesis process is called translation. Overall structures, messenger RNA give the informations. The overall process of translation is start. And other cell organelles are present in plant cells, or animal cells. That is the mitochondria. Mitochondria is powerhouse of the cell. basically formation of the ATP which provide all of the cells for these activities. That structure is mitochondria, very important. Mitochondria and chloroplast are semi-autonomous organelles. Many important organelles present. Both mitochondria and chloroplast contain their own DNA and protein synthesis. Both organelles have own DNA, which form from his information DNA and protein synthesis machinery. Are believed to have evolved from endosymbiont bacteria, which bacteria both plastids and mitochondria are divided by fission. Plastids means that is a mitochondria. Mitochondria form by fission. Mitochondria break down, then that is mitochondria, and that mitochondria is a form. So mitochondria is formed by the fission means breaking. Mitochondria can undergo extensive fusion to form elongate structure. Mitochondria extensive fusion from elongated mitochondria is fusion each other. That is the diagram. Electron macrograph of chloroplast, tomato grass parameters. The same preparation is a higher magnification, three-dimensional view of grain stalk. That is the structure of the chloroplast. Chloroplast basically form of two membrane. One is a outer membrane and other is an inner membrane. That is called outer membrane or outer covering. Inside the outer covering, that is called stroma. Stroma many functions play, and also dark actions take place in that place stroma, which we discuss plant physiology, important photosynthesis topic, that is the chloroplast that perform functions.